Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to make stickers on Snapchat. So first thing that you will do is open up the Snapchat. So guys, once you open the app, just simply take a snap. And from here guys, you should be able to see on the right side of the screen, the scissor icon. So just simply tap on the scissor. And from here guys, just simply select a sticker. So just simply tap anywhere on your picture. And from there, I'll be able to tap on done and I should be able to make a sticker, guys. And now we can keep repeating that. Just simply go ahead and tap on the scissor again. And down below, you should be able to have multiple options that you can choose from as well, depending on your selection. So let's say I'm gonna take this one and tap on done. And from there, I should be able to make a sticker. And now, guys, when we tap on the X on the top left, and tap on discard. And now we're gonna take on another snap. And when you tap on the notes over here on the top of the scissor, the box icon, as you can see, when we tap on the scissor over here, we should be able to see our sticker. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.